Hi, welcome to Methinks. In this video, I will show you how to use the recruitment and participant sections of your business dashboard. As you can see, in your Methinks dashboard homepage is a summary of your recruitment details and applications. We will start by clicking on Recruitment. Here is where you will see a list of all the participants that have applied for your project. Every time a new participant applies, you will see a N symbol, which means new, next to their picture. This ensures that you will never miss a participant application. By clicking on a participant section, their profile will expand. This is where you can find details and profile information about each participant. Let's check another participant's details in this project. Here you can see their name, age, gender, location, and phone type. By scrolling down, you can see all of the answers of your project screener questions answered by this participant. Under User Profile is where you can see all the information a participant added when completing their Thinker profile on their Methinks app. In their core profile, you can see basic information such as age, location, languages, and more. By the way, all Thinkers are required to fill out this core profile section before they can apply to projects. Next, we move on to lifestyle, shopping, travel, media consumption, gaming, technology, and app usage. You can use these sections to understand a bit more of who your participant is and decide if they are a good fit for your project. If you think that they are a good fit, by clicking Move To, you can move the Thinker to the qualified or disqualified tabs. You can even choose to remove them from all tabs. I will move this participant to qualified. Now if I go to the top of my page and select the qualified tab, this is where I can easily find the participant again. You can also select many participants at once and move them all at the same time to any tabs you wish. Ratings and flags from other moderators about a participant will also be visible to you. In this case, we have a participant that was flagged by a moderator from another project as non-responsive. This doesn't mean that the participant is bad, but Methinks wants moderators to be prepared and know what to expect from a participant. In this section, you can also add tags to a participant. By clicking on the search button, you can also search and filter participants by their name, tab, gender, age, mobile device, location, tags, and screener questions. I will now add more participants to my qualified and disqualified tabs. By the way, by clicking on the heart on the right side of a participant's name, you will automatically add a participant to the Favorites tab. You can also create a new tab with the name of your choosing and add participants to it. Under Recruitment is where you can find information on Recruitment Demographics. Here I want to check the demographics for the participants under my Qualified tab. Now I can just click on the demographic analysis and understand more about my qualified participants. The same can be done with our screener question answers. By clicking on Download, an Excel document with each participant's details and their answers to your screener questions will be downloaded to your computer. Under Applications is where you can send direct messages to your Thinkers. Here you can select individual or multiple participants and send them chat messages. This is also where you can invite participants to video interviews, surveys, app tests, or other projects. I will go ahead and create a focus group video interview with all of my selected participants. Here you can request for a participant to share their screen during the focus group, or share your own screen and image files with your Thinkers. In this section, you can add a focus group name, interview duration, compensation, date, and time. You can also provide additional details about the interview to your participants in this section. Click Next to proceed and confirm your interview details. By clicking on Participants in your main menu, you will find all participants that you invited from the Recruitment section to take part in your research project. You can also nudge or remove a participant by selecting them and clicking the buttons on the top bar. By clicking the Sort button, you can sort your participants in alphabetical order, name, and more. If you would like to check the details of your recruitment settings, simply click on Details, located under Recruitment. In this section, you will find details of your recruitment, and you are able to edit them all. For example, if I want to change a screener question, I can click on Edit to make any changes I wish, and click on Save. That's all for this video. Thanks for thinking with us.